No matter the weather, Alexandria Emergency Hospital is always here for you. Rain or shine, our doors are open 24/7 to provide the care you and your loved ones need fast. Every second counts, and Alexandria Emergency Hospital is here to help you through any storm.
In the event of a water damage emergency, call PuroClean of Cenla.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How's it going? We're debating, and I haven't hit record yet. We're debating on how I start these. If I say good morning, it runs on the 24-hour channel all day. So let's just do generic here. I'll just be like, hi. Hi. Okay, now I'm recording. Here is your show for today, for the entire day, until 7 when Tom's takes over. Toledo Bend right now, 64 degrees, dew point 61. You can see the ripples on the water there. Wind gusts are increasing today. Not the best day to be on the water, but nice day to just be outside and enjoying here. 71. It's going to be a little warmer away from that cooler water of the lake. This thermometer is right on the lake, so the immediate impact of that cooler water, cooler temperatures. If you've ever gone out of like Venice or something to go out tuna fishing, which I did last year or 2 years. It was last year. Yeah, 2 years ago. I want to go again. So anyway, when you're going through those marshes and everything, you get a little upwelling from the boats, and you get the water temperatures really change by several degrees and not much distance at all. So as that happens, you'll notice the temperature of the ambient air around you change quickly. It's really kind of weird. And that's what we're seeing right there. 71 degrees here in Alexandria, where we do not have a lake right next to the thermometer. So yes, Mom, I saw you said it's going to snow up there. You're going to get waves of it up in St. Louis. No advisories or watches yet, but it's going to get nasty. Also, a lot of active weather going to be from New England back through the Great Lakes, the southern Great Lakes there. So if you are traveling over the next several days, you're going to have some travel issues. But we live here, remember. So what's going to happen here? It's going to rain a lot. And that's what we're going to see pretty much from Tuesday through Wednesday. Then we get another big wave. We'll talk about all that in a bit here. 70 degrees in Alexandria, 74 Monroe, generally upper 60s to mid 70s across the state. And your future wind speeds, it looks pretty windy out there, about 10 to 15, maybe 20 miles per hour through the day. I added the gust factor in here, not quite yet, but you can see that little front that's kind of edging down into the area. Here's your wind gusts for today, and this is what we're seeing those waves for. Already approaching 30 miles per hour out there on Toledo Bend, 20 to 30 miles per hour here in Alexandria. Mr. Steve, I will make sure to get that to you because, we do want sponsors. I hate just stopping midstream here. I see your comment, though, and I will absolutely get with her. If not, I almost stopped yesterday. I saw you on the side of the road selling shrimp. I was going to stop and see if everything had gone well, but I was running and in a hurry, and I had to go see a baby. I had to go see my niece once again. She is just too sweet. So temperatures today going to be up near 80 once again, even with that breeze. It looks like we'll be partly to mostly cloudy throughout the day. I see no sun coming through right now, but at least the fog has lifted whatever little fog we had out there. Futurecast showing just some scattered showers, just some very isolated stuff showing up by tomorrow. We saw that little front kind of inching in, and that's where we'll see the isolated showers that could start up tonight. Rain chance is pretty low there, but it looks like things really pick up into next week. Nothing doing on the severe threat. Maybe some storms up there in that winter weather advisory, though. Ooh, thunder, sleet, snow, something like that. Call Jim Cantori. Get him out there. Here's what we have coming through on the GFS for the next 7 days. I went out for the whole thing. Again, Mom gets snow. We get rain down here. We get lots of it, too. So Tuesday, wave 1. Wednesday, another wave comes through. Maybe a little break there on Thursday and Friday. We get some scattered stuff. And then afterward, I think another big wave comes through around next weekend with showers and storms. It's a little too far out to really get details on, but yes, there could be another round of storms there. So all that to say, we had lots of rain rolling through on this model from Tuesday to Sunday. Yes, there's going to be a break there, I think, around Thursday or Friday, but through Friday, this is only capturing that first event. I think a good 2 to 4 inches of rain for the northern half of the state. Lesser totals down south as they'll be a little further away from that front as it kind of wavers in and out of the area. So 81 degrees on Saturday. That's today. 77 tomorrow. Scattered showers possible. Good chance for rain and storms. I think some pretty heavy stuff Tuesday into Wednesday. Maybe a few severe storms. We'll be watching that and certainly keep an eye on things. It all depends on what the front does. If we see highs closer to 70, which is entirely possible, we're forecasting for a point basically here in Alexandria. area. North of this, I think it's going to be cool. South of this, it could be a little warmer. And while I don't think the totals will be as high, there could be a few severe storms wherever we see that warm sector set up. And beyond this, from day 8 to 14, February 16th to the 22nd, it looks like we're going to stay kind of cool to the north and warm to the south. For us, what this means is we're going to be kind of wavering between things as that front waffles through. So we could see warm days mixed with cold days that equal out to an average week of temperatures. If you add them up, divide by 7, and you get your mean out of that, your average. Remember back from the days of like 5th grade, we do the mean, the median, and the ever popular mode, which was just the most. And that was always fun because I always got to answer right on my test. Rain showers going to be continuing on. I think we get another several days of active weather. So that's what we're looking like right here. Yeah. Well, Mr. Steve Hickman, I am going, he's the guy you see on the side of the road with the shrimp. So yeah, we got to get you on board because I got to have a hookup to the shrimp too, you know? So yeah, we'll be reaching out to you for sure. I will make sure that happens. I hope everyone has a wonderful Saturday, wonderful weekend here. We at least get away with this without the rainfall really ruining the weekend, but I think it does ruin the Tuesday and the Wednesday. And I'll be talking about that as we get a bit closer. All right, have a great day. I will see you back here tomorrow.